All right. In this video, I'm going to look at HTML audios and videos. We've looked at tables, forms, and I think other things. So I'm going to look at HTML audio and video in this video. All right. Let's get right in. So to embed audio in HTML, we need to use the audio tag. You see how tags are important, right? So for audios, we use this audio tag, and you can read through all of these. So what this is saying is before HTML5, we had HTML4, HTML3. Before HTML5, we could not embed audio into our web pages, right? But now with HTML5 available, we can do all of that. Yeah. So let's just look at the syntax. This is syntax, basic syntax for HTML, for audio, embedding audio in HTML. So this is the audio tag wrapping the source. So this source is key. Um, in this SRC, we add the file we want to play on our web page. We add it here, and the type. What type of audio file are you adding? Is it MP3? Is it MPEG? Whatever. You state the type of file here. So I think we should jump into our code and let's make this thing practical. Okay, yeah, this is what we've done so far. We've done this. We've added the table. We have added the form. So now, let me break this flow and give it a space and make another div where we will embed our audio file. Now, I think the first thing we need to do is to add an audio file to this, right? So to do that, I think I have an audio file in my um, here. So I have an audio file here which I'm going to use. So I think the easiest way for you to implement this is to copy it and put it in that folder, the exact folder where you are writing your HTML code. So I'm going to copy this, right? So let's see. Okay. So I'm going to look for my folder, right? Go through this approach. So you should know where your folder is located. So mine is where are you? Side also, right? So side also training, and this is the folder. So I can just paste it here, right? So paste item. So this is the file. Cool. So let me take this off and let's go back to our code. Now, as you can see, the file is here already. So this is the file I want to use. Okay. So let's get right into it. Now, this is the div we've created. So I can use my audio tag, right? Okay. So I want to remove this source. And inside here, we add our source. As you can see here, our source. So let me just type source here. I think you should go with this one. This source has SRC. That will give you all of these details, right? So we added, or you have to add it yourself. So let me take that up again. So source. So now we need to add the file. That's this file, this audio file inside here. So the easiest way to do it is to type your control and space, right? It will give you an option. Yeah, these are to show you the files that are available in that repository. So there are two files, which is HTML and this. So if you I click on this, I've imported the file already. So if you didn't get that, let me just type it down here. So all you need to do is your control button plus your space bar. So you click on your control button and hit your space bar. It gives you all the file on that folder you are currently on. right? So let me take this off. I think that's clear. So that's what we bring up this. So the last thing here is the type. So this is the audio type, audio file type. So for this one, I think this is an MPEG. So I'm going to type audio. This is how you do it. You type audio first slash MPEG. If it's MP4, you put M. If it's MP3, since it's audio, if it's MP3, you put MP3 there. So if I save this and run this code, let's see what happens. Yeah, nothing happens because there's no control. So there's something I didn't add on the file, which is control. You have to add controls here. Controls. Yeah, that's that. So when I save now and let's check again, you see our file is uploaded, right? So these are audio file with our control stuff. So when I click on play, yeah, it plays, and you can decide to reduce the volume and increase the volume, or you can decide to download it. It has downloaded. So these are, I think that's basically all about audio. It's very easy and straightforward. You get just understand the flow, just few lines of code, just 3 lines of code. You've implemented your audio. So I think that is that. So in our next video, we're going to look at video, how to embed video files in your HTML.